As an official of the Department of Immigration and the COVID-19 outbreak immigration officer in COVID-19 as an official of the Immigration Department, usually many passengers enter from abroad. When entering a new country, they had to confirm their identity first. This is the day-to-day work of Immigration Department officials. However, because of the COVID-19 outbreak, many people from various countries enter the airport every day, whereas if someone is infected with COVID-19, then the airport will be a lot of people who transmit the virus and become very dangerous. Previously, it was also reported that immigration officers were too busy working even though there was no family to go home and spend time with their families. Immigration officials working at airports have to contact many people from different countries every day, so they have to work harder to prevent the epidemic. If they have children, their children cannot go to school because of the epidemic and can only study at home. They must take time off to take care of the children at home, cook for them, and always pay attention to their physical condition. Now that the epidemic is getting more serious, I can't go out to play, I'm bored at home, and I have to find a way to hang out with the kids and have fun together. As an Immigration Department officer, it is very difficult to work with focus and at the same time have to take care of the family. Author, editors and video makers, and activities students writing.